Hello students, how are you? I am sure that all of you will be safe and sound at your home. My dear students, regarding our previous discussion, we have already finished the topic related with our literature as well as its prose section. Today, we should have to start a new topic also related with literature. So all of you minutely, carefully and seriously focus my today's videos and follow me. Chapter number 4 related with prose section, and it's the part related with our moments. Titled here like In the Kingdom of Fools, and it's the creation of A.K. Ramanujan. My dear students, just before going to highlight the story related with the chapter, first of all, I would like to provide you a brief description related with the author as well as its story writer. Ramanujan was born in Mysore city on 16 March 1929. His father, Atipat Asuri Krishna Swami, was an astronomer and professor of mathematics at Mysore University. Was known for his interest in English, Kannada and Sanskrit languages. His mother was a homemaker. Ramanujan also had a brother named as A.K. Srinivasan, who was a writer and a mathematician also. My dear students, just after providing such a brief description related with the story writer, now we should have to think about the characters, that how many characters play their direct or indirect roles to finish the story. Characters related with this story are, first one here, the king as the silly or idiots. Second one here, the minister, he was also the silly or idiot's character. Third one here, as a guru, like mentor also. Fourth one here, as a disciple. Fifth one like a thief. Sixth one here like the thief's brother. Seventh character as a rich merchant. Eighth one here like the bricklayer or mason. Ninth character like a dancing girl, and the last and 10th character like the goldsmith. These all characters have to play their direct or indirect role in this story. Now we have to think about the spot, place scene related with the story. First one here, the king's court. Second one here like the kingdom of the foolish king. And the last third one here like the prison or jail. Now, just after getting ideas related with characters as well as its spot, place or scene, now we have to think about the theme, moral or fact of the story. It is believed that a fool is more dangerous than a cruel person. His foolishness can bring about calamities. This story is based on the theme that it requires patience and wisdom to handle people who choose to be foolish. Now, my dear students, next day I shall have to provide you the summary of this story. So all of you stay at home, be safe. Thanks a lot. Hope to see you again.